Our entire process was designed with a customer experience in mind. Everything from the moment you pick up the phone and call our company until the job is completed, you are number one. We've been doing residential window film for almost 30 years now, and we spend a lot of time in very nice homes, and we understand the pain points that clients have. And we have designed our system to eliminate those pain points so that you have the most pleasurable experience with a vendor you could possibly have within the home.
It was one of the best in-home sales presentations that we've had. The sales rep actually went around to every single window in the house, talked through our specific goals with that room, showed us all the different options, showed us the samples. It just was very professional.
Yeah, we just felt like we were understood.
There are two main components to a great window film job. One is the material and the other is the installation. Our installers are trained from day one to have the highest level of efficiency, attention to detail, quality, and overall craftsmanship. The benefits of window film are amazing. We can lower your air conditioning bills, reduce harsh glare, protect your delicate fabrics and hardwoods, but there are some other expensive valuables in your home window film can protect.
So when they first delivered the piano, I was ecstatic. It went in the room perfectly, just as I'd imagined, and the sound was even better than I had hoped for. However, one thing I did notice after a few weeks of playing the piano at different times of the day, I noticed that the sun, the morning sun, was harshly hitting the piano. Direct sunlight not only affects the finish and can fade the look of the piano, but it actually can mess with the mechanism and the sound of a piano. Once we put the window film on, the solution was already solved. I could tell that that was exactly what needed to be done. Still allows a tremendous amount of light in the room without the heat and the harmful rays of the sun.
I really enjoyed reading through the case studies and seeing, about other people's experiences, and also just looking through tons of photos of gorgeous high-end homes that they've worked on, which really put me at ease about having them come and work on my home.
Imagine buying a home on the Pacific Ocean with a view such as you see behind me, and then sitting on your deck in the evenings and having, rather than this beautiful glass railing behind us, a big wood railing that basically obstructed our view. That's what we faced in our community, and so a number of the homeowners and I got together and we decided to hire an approved contractor to build these glass railings that you see behind us. We are absolutely thrilled with not only the product, but most importantly, the customer service, and we as a community could not be happier with Campbell Window Film.
There are a lot of manufacturers of window film out there, but we've chosen to partner with 3M. They're internationally acclaimed, they have cutting-edge technology, excellent warranties and customer service. We feel it's the best film on the market. The online simulator at campbellwindowfilm.com gives you the ability to preview how the various window film shades will look inside and outside your home in both day and night conditions. Once you have selected the window film you like best, the accompanying calculator gives you a price estimate specifically tailored for your home and product preferences. You can have the best of both worlds, high-performance windows without compromising your view out. Let us show you how 3M and Campbell Window Film can dramatically improve the comfort and lifestyle in your home.